What's up, noobs?
You're retarded.
Yeah.
We're playing infected on falling.
It sucks.
You suck.
Everybody's staying here.
I'm not following you. I'm following your stupid rules.
Following
Yourself.
I don't know. I'm staying in here where I can not get nude. Because
Nude?
I've seen B.
You wouldn't get nude in front of those guys.
No, I don't want to get nude.
Where are you?
No, where's? I'm not in the house teabagging a dude.
There you are. He's gay. Literally.
I'm kidding. Teabag.
Dude, where are y'all?
We're all the way over here.
I think y'all are over here. Hey guys, what's up?
I'm not here. I think our voices changed so much. Oh, let's trap him. Lauren, trap him. Oh, dang it.
Yeah.
Let's have a party, y'all. Oh, I killed somebody. Oh.
You're serious? No, you didn't.
I thought I did because I got 100. Because I'm like, doo-doo-doo, and I got 100 for it.
I have 150. Everybody has 100, dude.
I do?
Even if they have 0 kills.
No, we don't.
Yeah.
This dude's 3-0.
You serious? Where?
On top.
Holy crap. Oh, I have 150
Oh, I know
with
that
no kills.
Wait, where did everybody go?
Don't leave me alone.
Oh, there you
Okay, let's leave them. Oh.
See, dang, look at where they put him.
Yeah.
I saw that kill. That was enough.
Now it's my turn. Okay, I'm scared of the window. Dude, where are you?
Nowhere.
Why'd you leave?
I'm not leaving.
I should come follow you.
No.
You know what? I'm staying with my new buddies.
Yeah, which don't even know you.
So,
Where?
this guy's trying to suck you.
Oh,
Hi.
it's a knife? No one's. That dude's not playing. One dude's not playing.
Who?
Oh, look, there's another dude.
You should have just teabagged him. Or put a claymore by him.
I'm still camping.
Oh my god.
Can't believe you're alive.
For real?
Wait, you got 25 kills with what?
I got 1 kill.
It says you got 25 kills with something.
No.
Ooh, I'm in a good spot. You coming?
Huh?
I'm in a good spot.
No, I'm not coming.
This is a good spot. This is a good spot. You knifed him?
Yes.
Yeah.
That means you're legit if you knife an infected. Ow!
Hurts.
Hey, I know where you're at.
No, you don't.
I know where everybody else is at too.
If you get me, I swear I'm gonna kill you.
Literally?
I'm screen looking on you. I'm watching you.
Now I know where you are.
Okay.
Dang it!
I'm not hitting.
Dang it!
Hello. Oh!
Sucker. Yeah, you know I put in an attack right there?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but we all know where they are now.
I know where they all are.
I killed him. Killed one. I just killed both of them. I know where they are.
Anybody here?
He's mine!
Found him. Everybody just jumps down. Yeah, get this.
Oh, I know where he's camping. He's camping right here. Where'd he go? Where's he? Oh, there it is.
Everybody get him!
Oh, I found him.
Let's throwing knife.
I won. We both got the matching bonus. We were.
I knew he was right there.
Oh, told you. You can get out of the map on the right there. Did you know that? Wait, it stopped.
What?
Wait, get up.
Okay. Well, that was a quick match. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.